Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, that means you're new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notifications so that you receive a notification whenever I drop a video. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do this lovely hairstyle, Ghana cornrow, and it's called 7-7. These are you section the hair. So first thing, you section small at the middle, as you can see. So after that, because this particular one want to achieve Shuku, so after that I proceed by sectioning the hair. Like this front part, I sectioned it into 6 portion. Can you see? So this is one portion that I'm trying to secure. That's why I'm cornrolling the hair. Can you see, guys? So now I'm done with the sectioning part, so I'm trying to count it. Can you see? So here I have 6 portions. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So at the front I have 6 portions, while I section 2 at the back. Can you see, guys? So I try to secure the back too. So after securing the back, I proceed by braiding the middle one. So the reason why I'm braiding the middle one is just to add to the braid to make it full. Can you see? So you secure the back. After securing it, you go ahead and you begin to braid the hair. So this middle one, so I'm trying to braid just 3 braid at the middle. Yeah, if you wish, if you want it fuller, you can braid more, depend on the extension you are using. This particular extension, we're using 2 color. Like I mix the 2 color together. It's color 30 and color 35 mixed together. The color is so lovely. Can you see, guys? So try, if you are mixing color, make sure you blend it well so that it will look natural. For those that doesn't like shouty color, I recommend this color for you. These two mixed color, you guys will love it. Yeah, try it and let me know in the comment section. So guys, after that I go ahead and begin to braid the hair, like you can see. So this hairstyle is called 7-7. 7-7 hairstyle. Yeah, if you don't know the hairstyle that is called 7-7, this is the 7-7. So I'm done with the other side, so I try to braid this side so that you guys can see clearly. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Though this particular one is Ghana cornrow. Yeah, it's not feeding, it's Ghana cornrow. It's also called Ghana weaving. So if you are trying to do 7-7, if you do 2 at the other side, you come to this other side and braid 2 as well, so that it will be balanced together. So this particular one, I have 6 portions, so that means I'm doing 3 3. So but the last 2 parts will face each other. So just watch carefully, pay attention, and you guys will understand what I'm trying to explain in the video. So that's how I keep going with this lovely cornrow. Can you see, guys? So like I keep telling you guys, whenever you are doing braid, any kind of braid, don't make it too tight. Yes, there's no any enjoyment making braid tight. Don't make it too tight. You start with the natural hair first before adding the extension. Yeah, that's how you keep going. Can you see? Please let me know in a comment section if you guys love watching this video, and if this video is helpful to you guys, please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and please share to your friends and family. Yeah, sharing is part of caring. Please share this video to your loved ones. So that's how I keep going, guys. So now I'm done with the braid. So after braiding it, I go ahead and trim the hair. After the trimming, I put it inside the hot water, then I try to apply my mousse, and this is the final look of the braid. Can you see, guys? My clients actually love the braid. Yeah, so if you want to roll it, make sure you dry it very well to avoid the tips from folding. This is the final look of the braid. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all.